Hello. Good evening. Welcome to another one of video. Today I'll be covering Bitcoin mining stocks. Disclaimer: this is purely an advice, and do your own research at your own risk. And at the end of the video, I will tell what my position in each of the stock is. If you have seen my previous video, which is taken on November 15th, Bitcoin and Reut investing into blockchain and cryptocurrencies for 10x returns. So at that time, a week back, the Bitcoin price was around $15,800. Today, the current price of Bitcoin is 18,000. So it went from 15,800 to 18,000, which is 15% up in a week. At that time, on the same video, I took a screenshot. It was Reut, the miner stock was $3.99. Right now, the current Reut price is $6.12, which is 52% up in a week. So, if keep a close attention, this is a $40 stock during the last BTC peak. Okay, so imagine if Bitcoin reaches 100K, what will be the Reut price? Okay, just take a guess. So for 15% of Bitcoin price up, Reut was up by 50%. This is exactly what I was telling. 3 times the miner stocks goes up. You can see the power of mining stocks compared to the Bitcoin price itself. And this week, Ethereum broke out $500 range, and it's on steroids, up close to 30% in a week. What does this mean? Why is it important? This represents a crazy growth from miner stocks such as Reut, Mara, Marathon Patent Group, Hive Blockchain, which is a penny stock on OTC. I will quickly cover in this video Mara, Canaan, and eBank. So since I covered Reut in the previous video, I will not focus much on attention Reut, but I'll focus on other mining stocks. Let's go there. Okay, so this is what I was saying, the Bitcoin price. 1 week from 16,000 to 18,500 close, on which is represents a 15% return. Okay, Ethereum represents a 30% return in the week. It broke down the 500 range. It's going close to $600. Reut represents a 1 week of 52%. Okay, so I increased my position. Reut used to be 400 shakes, now I have 800 stock. So Mara 1 week return is 50% again, just like Reut, and I increased my position to 600 stock in Mara as well. So next going to Canaan, which is basically, if you look at it, designs and sells in integrated ASIC chips. It offers the AA and Avalon miner products. So these products are used in mining both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so another eBank International, this is also Chinese mining hardware stock, and this also went up IPO recently, and you can see the 1 year price was close to $10 up, and now it went down by quite a bit. Reason being, on this day they offered secondary offering and it went down by like 20%, and then I think this might start going up again with this all this cryptocurrency prices going up. Okay, so this is what Bitcoin mining companies, what they are doing in order to increase their profitability, reducing their cost. Basically, the Bitcoin mining machines, the hash rate, cost of the machine, and also the electricity cost are the main things. So in order to reduce this cost, they are migrating to artificial intelligence chips. Okay, the chips that are made using AI technology is what makes. Okay, so there are multiple companies, they make these chips. One is Nvidia, then AMD, the other one is Bitmain. So Bitmain will go through Bitmain and other companies now. Okay, so before going there, so this is an article I will show you. It is an old article but still relevant. Okay, top 3 crypto mining hardware manufacturers in the world. Okay, this is in the world. Okay, pretty much everything is in China. Reason being the electricity costs in China are a lot cheaper. Okay, out of the top three, Bitmain, I don't want to go to Bitmain, but they sell the most popular ant miners, which right now they are the most expensive and the lowest cost producing bit mining machines. So these are the ones most of the mining companies buying these days. Okay, so if you look at top ratio, Bitmain actually had the 75% market share. Okay, 75% market share of making this mining machines, and the Canon, which is in a recent IPO, is had 15% share, and 10% is others. Okay, so either you want to invest in this one or you want to invest this one. This one being not a public company, not yet, might go to IPO very soon, and then this one is available public company, and I see any price drop, I think I'm planning to buy in this one, Canon Creative. Okay, so go back to Bitmain. This is built in 2033 by these guys, and then how they became billionaires and what is the worth of this company, and all this behind producing miners, the company also operates largest cryptocurrency mining pools worldwide. So all these websites they offer. And then coming back to Canon, one of the Bitmains. So before Antminer, Bitmain was the biggest competitor is Canon Creative, or simply Canon, headquartered in Beijing, founded in 2013 by Ng Jiang. The firm is producing blockchain servers and designing ASIC microprocessor solutions. Okay, so the company reported a $203 million quarter. Okay, that's a lot of money. Canon sold almost 3,000 Avalon mining machines in 2013, with the US and Sweden being the biggest overseas market. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about Canon. We can look at the Canon stock also quickly. So let's go through the eBank. eBank International is another large Bitcoin mining chip maker. So you'll get an idea. So the main players are Bitmain, eBank, Canon. Bitmain is not IPO yet, so the only your option is eBank and Canon. I like Canon. I might start investing into Canon as well. So if you look at Canon stock, so 1 week is 100%, 3 months is 117%, 1 week 60%, and 1 day is last Friday it went up by 22%. So you can see how crazy these prices are going up and how crazy the mining stock prices are going up. Okay, so now let us take a look at these prices when Bitcoin, during last Bitcoin peak 2017 and 2018. Okay, so this is Marathon Patent Group, which now at $3.39, which I have like around 800 stocks. So during peak of 2016-17, it was trading at $55. $3 versus $55. So will it come back to $55? I can't say that, but it has a lot of potential to go up. And then the current options chain saying it can easily go from $3.39 to $4 pretty soon. Okay, so now going back to Riot blockchain. So right now the stock is $6, and last peak when Bitcoin was peak, it was trading at $46. You can see I'm not lying any of these prices. These are the prices that are available. Okay, so as you can see, the Riot revenue is going up like crazy. The cash flow also going up. So this is one of the recent article on Bitcoin miner Marathon Patents stock jumps on upbeat outlook for mining revenue. This is November 18th, pretty recent. So shares of cryptocurrency miner Marathon Patent Group shot up 11%, blah blah blah. The company said once they have 23,560 miners are deployed in the second quarter of 2021, it has potential to produce 15 to 20 bitcoins per day with average cost of 3,800, which generates $8.8 million per month and $6.7 million gross profit. This is like a gold mine, guys. So for a small company, penny company like this, 8.8 million and even they make 4 million profit per month. This is a huge money, and I can't imagine how the stock potential will be. Okay, So, and also if you look at it, Marathon patent volume 1116, it was 3-4 million dollars per day, 3-4 million millions of stocks. Now it's like 10 million, 56 million, 42 million, 21 million, 28 million. You can see how the volume is going up every day. Okay, so let's come back to the last third stock, Hive Blockchain Technologies. Usually I do not buy OTC stocks, but this could be a special, and then this doesn't trade on Nasdaq or New York Stock Exchange. I had to pay commission to buy this stock. Okay, so Hive Blockchain, formerly Lita Gold Corp, is a Canada-based company in blockchain sector. It partners with Genesis Mining. Okay, the important thing here you need to know is the facility produced mining cryptocurrency Ethereum around the clock and is monitored with Genesis Hive proprietary software protocol for large mining. Okay, really important given the Ethereum price gone up by like 30% in a week. And if you look at the stock price, last 5 days 35%, 30 days 73%, and 60 days 96%, almost doubled in 2 months. And given the price is $5 peak in when Bitcoin last Bitcoin peak, I see huge potential. Okay, so but this is going to be volatile stock. It's not in Nasdaq, it's on OTC pink slips, but there is a huge volume, I guess. So this will be interesting talk to watch next couple of days. Reason being, so if you look at it, Hive Blockchain reports that record Ethereum mining production driven by demand. Okay, so they have like in the quarter 32,000 Ethereum coins, quarter from July to September, and given that 30% went up, you can imagine how much revenue impact it has. Okay, so these are the cryptocurrency mining stocks I want to cover, and I wouldn't recommend buying immediately all your money. Okay, so look at, observe, and then slowly invest, and keep an eye on the stocks of the cryptocurrencies itself. With the cryptocurrency stocks falls, Ethereum, Bitcoin, these stocks is going to fall a lot more. Okay, so that is always leverage effect. So Bitcoin price goes up, these prices go up a lot. Bitcoin goes down a little bit, these prices go down a lot. So they are directly proportional. Okay, I hope you like the idea, and I hope you like this video. And if you really like the video, please click the like button and come back to next video, 10x idea. Okay, have a nice guys.